We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit, said Aristotle. Extraordinary individuals don't achieve greatness overnight. Their success stems from consistent, deliberate actions that become ingrained in their daily lives. These actions, repeated over time, transform into habits, shaping their thoughts, decisions, and ultimately, their destinies. Think of your habits as the building blocks of your life. Each positive habit you cultivate is a brick laid, contributing to the foundation of your success. Conversely, negative habits chip away at this foundation, hindering your progress and limiting your potential. By understanding the power of habit, you can take control of your actions, replacing detrimental behaviors with empowering ones that propel you towards your goals. Let's explore the daily habits of top achievers, uncovering the secrets to their extraordinary success. Remember, success is a continuous journey of growth and self-improvement. Many successful individuals swear by the power of an early morning routine. Rising before the sun allows them to start the day on their own terms, setting a positive and productive tone. Apple CEO Tim Cook wakes up before dawn, tackling emails and hitting the gym before most people have had their morning coffee. Early rising is about creating space for yourself, a time for reflection, planning, and personal growth. The key is to find a morning routine that works for you and stick to it consistently. By embracing the power of an early start, you can gain control of your day, setting yourself up for success both personally and professionally. Success hinges significantly on our internal state of mind. Top achievers understand the importance of cultivating mental fortitude, training their minds to navigate challenges and maintain focus. Oprah Winfrey attributes much of her success to her unwavering belief in herself and her vision. One powerful habit for strengthening mental resilience is practicing gratitude. Taking time each day to appreciate the good in your life can shift your perspective towards positivity. Another crucial aspect of mental fitness is mindfulness, which involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. By incorporating habits that nurture mental strength, you equip yourself to handle challenges, emerging stronger and more determined. Neglecting physical health can undermine even the most determined efforts. Top achievers recognize the interconnectedness of mind and body, prioritizing their physical well-being. Richard Branson credits his high-energy lifestyle and sharp mind to regular exercise and a healthy diet. Engage in physical activity that you genuinely enjoy and aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days. Exercise releases endorphins, natural mood boosters that leave you feeling more energized and focused. Equally important is nourishing your body with nutritious foods. By prioritizing regular exercise and nutritious eating, you fuel your body and mind for peak performance. Time is our most precious resource, yet it's often the one we manage the least effectively. Successful individuals understand the value of time and have mastered the art of productivity. Elon Musk is a master of time management, juggling multiple companies while making significant strides in each. One effective technique for enhancing productivity is the Pomodoro technique. This involves working on a task for a focused 25-minute interval, followed by a short 5-minute break. This structured approach helps maintain focus, prevents burnout, and enhances overall efficiency. Another crucial aspect of time management is prioritization. Start each day by identifying your most important tasks, the ones that will have the greatest impact on your goals. By implementing effective time management strategies, you can accomplish more in less time, reducing stress, and creating space for the things you truly value. Remember, mastering time management is about working smarter, making deliberate choices about how you spend each precious moment. In today's rapidly evolving world, resting on your laurels is not an option. Successful individuals are lifelong learners, constantly seeking new knowledge, skills, and perspectives. Bill Gates is an avid reader, devouring books on a wide range of topics to expand his knowledge. Make it a habit to dedicate time each day to learning something new. This could be reading books, listening to podcasts, taking online courses, or engaging in conversations with people outside your usual circle. Embrace curiosity and actively seek out opportunities to broaden your horizons. Explore different subjects, industries, and cultures. By cultivating a mindset of continuous learning, you invest in your personal and professional development, positioning yourself for long-term success. Success is rarely a solo endeavor. Top achievers understand the significance of building and nurturing strong relationships. They surround themselves with positive, supportive individuals who inspire them and contribute to their growth. Michelle Obama emphasizes the importance of having a strong support system. Make an effort to cultivate meaningful connections with people in your personal and professional life. Remember, building strong relationships is about fostering genuine connections based on mutual respect, trust, and shared values. By prioritizing the development of strong relationships, you create a network of support, encouragement, and inspiration. The pursuit of success is not a linear path. It's a journey filled with twists, turns, and occasional setbacks. Top achievers embrace the journey with all its imperfections, viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. J.K. Rowling faced numerous rejections before finding a publisher, demonstrating the power of perseverance. Embrace a growth mindset, believing that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. View setbacks as temporary hurdles, not permanent roadblocks. Learn from your mistakes, adapt your approach, and emerge stronger and wiser. By incorporating the habits outlined above, you can navigate this journey with greater purpose and resilience. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and never stop striving for the extraordinary. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share so you can miss out on other videos that will help you unlock your full potential.